Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. Market opens up here in less than 1 minute, so I'll do my best to capture some live trades on video. I will keep you updated. I have an order in to sell some share, or excuse me, to buy some shares at 24.51. So we'll see if the price can get down there or not. I'm also looking around at other plays. Like I said, market just opened, so we'll see what happens. Okay, I picked up some shares here at 25, looking for the 25 break. It should, if it can get through there, go on a nice little pop. So I'll look to scale out into the pop. So you can see a lot of sellers up there. And couldn't quite do it. We'll see if it can get up there for another chance. So you saw all that size up there. So I may pick up some more shares here in preparation for that break. But we'll have to see how things play out here. But I'll try to capture the break if it happens on video. No promises though, but I'll try my best. Okay, okay, there was the break. Sorry, I missed it. Was hoping for a little bit better of an upwards movement there, but we'll see what happens here with it. To have 252 shares because I got a partial fill. So I got 100 shares left now. And what I'll do is just going to put a stop loss down there at below 25.09. So real tight, probably a little too tight, but I want to try to capture this as much as possible. So now I'm going to change my stop loss up to 25.19. So I'm going to follow this up very closely. And it looks like I'll be stopped out here. And stopped out there at 25.20. So like I said, might have been a little too tight on the stop, but you know, it's a Friday. I've had a good week, so I'm going to be a little extra conservative, and that includes on my stops. So like I said, hindsight may make me look a little too silly in terms of that, but I'll take it. So let's see what else I can find. I have ordered a short, just 100 at 54.80. A bigger spread, so I'm going in very small here. You know, if I do get those, you know, I'm not going to necessarily make that much money on it, but I'm just looking to start to build a position there. So just starting very small at 54.80 if it can get up there. So we'll see. I will keep on scanning for other plays though. Okay, sorry I missed that, but this is the move that I was looking for. So I'm just building into this. So this is exactly what I was hoping for. Getting in a nice position here, built. That's why I wanted to start small there. And I'm all out there for $106, but I want to restart up here if I can. So 55.61. If it can get back there, up there again, I want to restart this whole process again. So sorry I missed the entry point. That, you know, but that's why I started off just very, very small at 100. Then I was able to build up a bigger position. So let's see if it can get back up there again. And like I said, I would love to restart the process. So let's see what happens with it. I'll keep you updated, and I'll try to capture the entry point. But I was actually looking at some other stocks when I did get filled on that first one. So I'll keep you updated. Okay, I have 200 shares at 55.59. Again, looking to build. I have cover orders in at 55.40, 55.45. So we'll see if I can get in, if it wants to pull back or if it wants to keep going. Like I said, I'm willing to build a position bigger, but that's why I started off just very small at the beginning. So put some more shares up there to short if it wants to head back up. Or if it wants to go in my favor, then I can also pull some profits off the table. And just like that, I'm all out again. So I'm not sure what that math was, but again, I would like to restart the process. So I'll leave these orders up here. So we'll see what happens with it. But these are, you know, I like these moves where these stocks are just getting more and more overextended. Have an order in and pick up some Loco at 24.25. Not sure if it's going to quite get down there or not before I cancel my order, but we'll see. Actually stepped away from the computer for a little bit, but now I'm back looking for some scans. You know, when I made the $200 in the first 10 minutes, I thought, hey, you know what? Why not go say hi, hang out with my daughter for a few minutes? So that's what I did. Friday morning, you know, some nice little chunk of change for 10 minutes of work. Thought I'd go take a quick little break. And like I said, it's been a nice little week, and I just really have no reason to get too crazy with anything. So I kind of want to be done by 10:15 today, maybe 10:30 at the latest, and just call it a day since it's Friday. But we'll see what happens. I mean, I may be done sooner, might go a little bit longer, but certainly I'm not going to be trading past 11 today. But we'll see what happens. I'm going to keep on scanning. All right, just got a real small starter spot here at 55.81, just 100 shares. So again, not going to make a ton of money on it at all. But if it wants to go in my favor, then so be it. So I actually just took it off the table there. Pretty strong move here. Just noticed the volume bar kind of missed that the first time. So want to be a little bit more careful. Strong volume breakout here. So still going to be short bias towards it, but need to take a little bit more precaution. So that's why I wanted to just hop out there just to play it safe. So we'll see. I'm keeping an eye on it. We're going to pick up some shares, just 300 at 13.80 on SRNE in this pullback here. So again, very, very small position, but it would just be an entry point. So we'll see if it can break through 14 here. But this one was halted for a little bit and just opened up. So expecting volatility. So that's why I want to kind of just dip my toe in the water and see what happens. So I'll keep you updated. I'll try to capture the entry point if it looks like I'm going to get it. Well, I don't know if the market's just all of a sudden slowed down by a significant amount, or maybe I'm just not looking in the right spot. But what I do know is I think I'm going to call it a week, call it a day. It's 10:08 a.m. Eastern time. I have been looking, so I don't want to make it come across like I haven't been spending my time. I just can't find anything. I'm up $212. Like I said, the majority of that came within the first 10 minutes of the day, and then I did step out for a little bit, but I have been searching since the last time I paused the video, and just haven't been able to find anything. And I'm talking in the chat room, just kind of how I'm getting a little frustrated, but whatever. It's Friday. Why not be done by 10:09 a.m. and call it a week? So I think that's what I am going to do. So if you enjoyed this video and maybe you want to learn more about how to read charts and how to trade with charts, then I encourage you to do so. The nice thing about charts is you don't necessarily have to use them in the fashion that I do, where you're looking to sell within a few minutes like me. That's the great thing about charts. Whether you're looking to sell within a few minutes, a few hours, a few days, they can be applied to all those different situations. So if you go to claytrader.com, you can check out the training section of the site. I offer multiple courses on that. Also have a private trading group where you can hang out with me and other traders in a live chat room, and also get a subscription to my Power Profit Scan newsletter that I send out on a weekly basis. So again, you can just go to claytrader.com and check all that stuff out. And then finally, one of the big questions I get is, how do I find the stocks that I trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add some value to you as a trader, then I'll put a link up right at the end of this video. So just wait around, and you'll get a link and you can go download that. Like I said, it's totally free, so you can check that out. So thanks for watching. Get out there, trade without emotion, and have a great weekend.